Hi, I am Gopal here again from Kashi, and this is Sanatan Science YouTube channel. As you know, we have been discussing about the sciences behind various rituals of our Sanatan Dharma. In that series today, we will be talking about pranayamam, the science behind pranayamam. It's very interesting, for example. So, before entering into the subject of what actual science is there behind pranayamam, let us talk something irrelevant to that. Three important ingredients are very much needed for a human to live, matlab just to live: food, water, and oxygen to breathe. Basic requirements. And about the first two, food and water, even if we don't take food for 3-4 days, or even if we don't drink water for about half a day, nothing will happen to us. Still, we can live. Our internal organs will continuously to get food and water, because the food and water is already stored in the body. Our body knows to save and store food and water for the internal organs. But at the same time, the third ingredient is concerned. Beyond 3 minutes, no man can live without breathing. That all we know. So the real question comes: why our body, which is able or capable of storing food and water, is unable to store oxygen, in which oxygen is much more important than food and water? Have you ever gave a thought for it? It's amazing. It is amazing, because if body stores oxygen, we will not be able to live even up to this 50-60 years. Now the maximum life expectancy is up to 50-60 years. Suppose if the body stores oxygen like food and water, we will not live even up to that, because oxygen is very important, but at the same time, oxygen is damaging the body in a pathetic way. What is that damage? That is called, chemically it is called oxidation. What is oxidation? The reaction of oxygen to anything in the world is called oxidation. For example, a piece of iron bar kept outside will be rusted, completely destroyed, maybe in a month or 2 months of time. Why? That is called basically oxidation. The oxygen is reacting with the iron rod and decomposing that. The same process, oxidation process, is happening inside the body. That is called aging, getting older. It's a big problem, especially amongst women. Now they use different type of this creams and all these things. Pharmaceutical companies are coming out with various tablets like antioxidants and antioxidant capsules, tablets, and all these things. Would they definitely helpful? No, they will not have any use, because they are external agents, and internally, because of our breathing process continuously happening, the damage is also continuously happening. So even if the person is not having any disease, no hypertension, no diabetes, nothing, still beyond 50, 60, 70 years, his organs will start losing its capacities and capabilities, like eyesight will come down, the hearing capability will come down, forgetfulness, all these things are happening, because the oxidation process reduces the efficacy and efficiency of the internal organ. So ultimately the person dies, even if he is not having any serious disease also. What to do with this pranayama? The real science is, our Sanatana ancestors, long back, tens of thousands of years back also, they have found out this, they have established this, they have explored, and they have come out with a scientific technology to tackle this aging process, or this getting older process. I'm not telling pranayama will stop aging. No, I'm not telling that. Pranayama has multiple benefits to humanity, multiple benefits to the person who is performing this. And one of the benefits of pranayama is this aging process. There are different type of pranayamams existing: left nostril breathing, right nostril breathing, intermittent breathing, interrupted breathing, like this different type of breathing. It's basically a breathing technology, as you know very well. The essence of all these pranayama is basically to control and manage your breathe in such a way that it will definitely give oxygen to the body, but not damage or degrade the internal organs, as like normal breathing is concerned. That is the technology. That's why our Sanatana ancestors made it as a ritual. You daily do it in the morning as a ritual. So, if you do it, you will live happily. More importantly, you will live healthy as long as you live. And definitely, the onset of aging process will be delayed, and even at older age also, all your organs will work properly if we practice pranayama. That is this real science behind this pranayama. It's amazing, isn't it? A small piece of information, but a big science behind it. That's why I have been telling that Sanatana Dharma is not a religion, it is much more than that. A lot of science behind it. And hope you would have enjoyed this piece of information. I will come out with another interesting episode or information in next video. Thanks for watching. Namaskar.